Greetings. We got the Oz Roosevelt Magna Cut. Gonna open up this box right here. Just cut it. Little sawing action. Cut the side. And gonna cut the other side. And cut the top again. Oh, it's open. And we got a white box inside the brown box. Got made in the USA on it, horse head. I'll flip that open and whoop, there's a Hinderer. Got that orange G10 scale. It's inside of a bag. I'll take it out of the bag. Got the working finish. Working finish looks nice. And there's the orange G10 scale, nice and grippy. Flip. This XM-18 version has the Aggressor blade. Very cool. And Magna Cut. Very neat grind. Something a little different. Guess he used to only do these on his custom knives, and now he's got them on the production knives. Pretty sweet. Got our Hinderer logo there. The USA Magna Cut on the other side as a plane flies overhead. Closing it up, flicking it open. Yeah, this thing right out of the box. Super nice action. Probably the best action on a new Hinderer that I've gotten. There's a super thin pointy tip on this guy. It's a 3.5 inch blade and 8.25 inches overall. Awesome Hinderer ergos. For me, the XM-18 just fits right in my hand nicely. Look at that USA Magna Cut there. Close it up. Super smooth. Whoever put this together did an amazing job. Yeah, Aggressor is a cool new variant. I think it looks great. Look at that working. Wait, the clip's on the wrong side. I guess we'll fix that real quick. Just gotta get out the screwdriver. Kind of waiting. There it is. Gotta get these screws loose. Take that screw out. Twist, 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 twist. And got that one. Get this screw out. Twist that out. Get that screw. Loosen that one up. There we go. Unscrewing. And pop out that little spacer. Do the old switcheroonie. And get our screw in there. Tighten that up. Get our other screw. No. Get the other screw and put it in the other hole and tighten that up. There we go. Get our backspacer. Put it on. That's a pocket clip, not a backspacer. My bad. Screw that in. And then screw the other screw in. And yeah, there we go. That's better. Tip up carry. Flick it open. Look at that thin tip. Look at the blade. Feel the blade. Wipe the blade with my thumb. Yeah, this came super sharp. They did an excellent job on this thing. I'm gonna flip it open and close it a few more times. Look at it. Probably flick or reverse flick it. Flip it over. Look at it some more. Yeah. Aggressor's awesome. Yep, flip it open. Look at the other side. Look at the front side. Super cool. All right, so it's about a week or so later. Still liking the Aggressor. It's very cool blade. Yes. Really nice action, like I mentioned earlier, out of the box.
And had some things on order. Gonna change out the scale, put a backspacer in. Hopefully the action's the same when it's all done. So let's get it going. Alright, looks like we're all put back together. Nice and centered. Amazing. Whoever assembled this thing did an awesome job. Just everything fits great, even with the new scale and Backspacer. Action's the same as when it was new. I mean, it's new, but yeah. Now the Aggressor full titanium. Awesome knife. Hope you're having a good day. Thanks for watching.